everybody, welcome to the Hacienda. Ribbit here. Thanks for joining me. I really appreciate it. Haven't been posting much here lately. Been real busy at work, but today we're going to make something delicious. I'm going to make a pot of black-eyed peas here, but I'm going to show you a nice twist that turns out real nice. We got here 2 pounds of dried black-eyed peas, and we're going to use apple juice for the cooking liquid instead of beer or water or broth. That gives it a real nice touch, and the sweetness in there works really well with the black-eyed peas. We got some smoked pork neck bones, an onion, some butter, and 2 bay leaves. And of course we're going to use salt and pepper. So stick with me and I'll show you how it's done. Oh, one more thing I wanted to tell you. I'm going to use a piece of equipment that I use very, very rarely to make this, and that's the crock pot. Yep, we are going to use a slow cooker to make this, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to put out some good food. Okay, we're going to build this baby by layers, and the first layer we've got here are the smoked neck bones. Next, a teaspoon of kosher salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper, a tablespoon of red pepper flakes, and half a teaspoon of ground oregano, 2 bay leaves, stick of butter, and a whole chopped onion. Over top of all that, we've put the 2 pounds of black-eyed peas that we've rinsed and drained over top of everything. And now comes the apple juice. We're going to go ahead and pour enough apple juice to bring it up to the top. Oh, about like that. How much is this? This is 2 quarts. Let's go ahead and add full 2 quarts. Now we're going to cook it over high. Once it's done, I'll tell you how long it took to cook, and I'll see you then. Alright, here we go. It has been 5 hours in the crock pot, and it smells absolutely fantastic. Oh my god. The sweetness of the apple juice with the smokiness of the pork neck bones and the nuttiness of the peas. Oh my god, what a feast. Absolutely delicious. Let's go ahead and bowl some up and see how it tastes. Alright, here we go. Let's go ahead and give it a try. Oh my goodness. God, it smells so good. I wish I could share the smell with you people. Absolutely fantastic. God, I hope I don't burn myself. No. Hot, hot. Mmm. Peas are soft, perfectly done. 5 hours. 3.5 over high, 1.5 on low. Oh my goodness. I'm telling you, that apple juice is the secret and the trick to perfect black-eyed peas. Meaty flavor everywhere. Red pepper flakes add just a little touch of zing. Perfect. Thanks for watching, people. Sure do appreciate you. Bye-bye.